Have you ever felt like Earth wasn't your only home? That somewhere, beyond the stars, there were beings who understood you, guided you, and whispered truths into your soul. Today, we journey into the heart of one such star family, the Pleiadians. These multi-dimensional beings from the Pleiades star cluster are said to be humanity's ancient allies, messengers of love, unity, and ascension. But their teachings are not just galactic wisdom. They are keys to remembering who we truly are. Let's begin with what lies at the core of all Pleiadian teachings: love. To the Pleiadians, love is not just emotion, it's a frequency, a state of being. They say we come from love, return to love, and are here to embody love in physical form. But on Earth, love often gets filtered through fear, attachment, and trauma. The Pleiadians remind us, true love is unconditional, it's expansive, liberating, and not based on control. They invite us to rise above 3D patterns of fear and ego, and instead align with the 5D vibration of divine love. A love that heals, a love that remembers. Next, unity. Pleiadian consciousness is rooted in oneness. They do not see themselves as separate from others. Instead, they live in harmonic co-creation with each other and their environment. They teach us that separation is an illusion of the matrix. We've been conditioned to divide by race, class, belief, and identity. But beneath the veil, we are one human family, one light, expressing through many forms. Pleiadian unity is not sameness, it's harmony in diversity. It's about celebrating our differences while remembering our shared source. They urge us to return to community, to sacred connection, to heart-based collaboration, because Ascension is not a solo journey, it's a collective shift. And that brings us to the final core teaching, Ascension. To the Pleiadians, Ascension isn't about escaping Earth, it's about transforming it. It's a shift from fear to love, from density to light, from separation to unity. It's the awakening of dormant DNA, the activation of higher purpose, and the embodiment of our multidimensional nature. They remind us we are not waiting for a savior, we are the ones we've been waiting for. Each time we choose compassion over judgment, intuition over programming, and service over ego, we ascend. The Pleiadians serve as mirrors, reflecting our divine potential back to us. They're not here to control or rescue, but to gently nudge us into remembrance. So if you've ever looked to the stars and felt a pull, if you've ever dreamed of flying, or felt a warmth in your heart when meditating on love, maybe, just maybe, you're remembering your Pleiadian roots. Let these teachings be a seed within you, because love is not just a lesson, unity is not just a vision, and ascension is not just a destination. They are who you are, and you are waking up. If this resonated with your soul, you're not alone. Comment below with "I remember" to claim your light. And as always, stay aligned, stay open, and keep rising. Until next time, fellow Starseed.